another beautiful waterfall situated at Ruma upazila in Bandarban. Chingri Jhiri waterfall is very near to Boga Lake. It is 1 hour walking distance from Boga Lake. St. Martin Island is a small island, area only 3 kilometers in the northeastern part of the Bay of Bengal, about 9 kilometers south of the tip of the Cox's Bazar-Teknaf peninsula, and forming the southernmost part of Bangladesh. The Maldives Islands offer idyllic sea beaches with crystal clear waters, palm-fringed shores, and an abundance of marine life, making it a dream destination for beach lovers. The Maldives Islands offer idyllic sea beaches with crystal clear waters, palm-fringed shores, and an abundance of marine life, making it a dream destination for beach lovers.